Okay guys, we have a Miss Sonia from 2x2 Rescue, and to her right, my left, we've got an 18-year-old going on to Auburn University and planning to go to vet school, and he has observed and participated some in the filming and asking questions and more of a surgery today. We've got our patient who's probably going to wake up in 30 to 45 minutes. Her name is Janis July. We're going to show you some videos and pictures if you haven't seen them, but look at the difference in her hooves. Before we started, her hoof was about this far out on both sides. Dr. Easterwood found abscessed areas in her hoof on the front in particular, which has been the most painful area for her. It was an area that had a lot of fluid coming out. I've been asked not to say the other word. So we had fluid coming out that's poisonous in nature, right? And guys really think that, here's what we think. We had three goals. One was to trim her hooves so that she could have a chance at walking. And second, we'll see after we check laminitis and other things by the vet if whether or not she can be cured fully. And the third thing is she's going to have company. She's been by herself for several years since her colt was taken away from her, and she's already getting happier by being around other horses. So we'll come back to her when she wakes up in about 30 minutes. All right, thanks for following her story.